Mary, this prayer is for all the animals. I pray for the birds in the trees, the baby birds in the nests, that when they chop down the trees, you will be with them. Take them quickly. Wrap your arms around them. Please, Mother Mary, protect the bears in the frozen seas as their ice blocks melt and break apart. And protect all the creatures whose names I don't even know, who live in the depths of the oceans. Please be with them as their ocean becomes poisoned. And the creatures in the forests, please be with them as their trees tumble down and disappear. The creatures in the deserts, be with them when the rain stops. Protect them all as their playground disintegrates from human waste and toxicity. Bless the turtles as plastic invades their beautiful pools of freedom. Bless the elephants and the giraffes and all their fellows whose land is shrinking. Protect them, Mother Mary. Protect the dogs and the cats who are overbred and neglected. Protect them all, Mother Mary. Protect our friends, the animals, who don't have a voice. They don't have the same voice we do. Love them. Be with them.